Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. If you're looking for smart, practical, and time-saving kitchen tools, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're showcasing 31 incredible Amazon kitchen gadgets that can help simplify meal preparation, improve organization, and make everyday cooking more enjoyable. We've included all the product links in the description below, so you can easily learn more about each item. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest gadget reviews, top product picks, and shopping guides. Let's get started. Number 1. Carving and Slicing Knife. If you're serious about BBQ, this brisket knife is an absolute game changer. The 12-inch razor-sharp German steel blade slices through brisket, turkey, ham, and roasts with incredible precision. I love how effortlessly it creates clean, even slices without tearing the meat. The ergonomic full-tang handle feels balanced and comfortable, making every cut smooth and controlled. Plus, it comes with a protective sheath for safe storage. Whether you're a backyard griller or a professional pitmaster, this knife delivers premium performance that truly elevates your cooking experience. Number 2. Titanium Cutting Board Set. These titanium cutting boards have completely upgraded my kitchen routine. I love having 3 different sizes for every cooking task, and the double-sided design helps separate raw and cooked foods. They're lightweight, incredibly durable, and super easy to clean since they're dishwasher safe. Unlike traditional boards, they don't absorb odors or stains, which keeps everything feeling fresh and hygienic. If you're looking for long-lasting cutting boards that combine convenience, durability, and modern design, this set is definitely worth adding to your kitchen. Number 3. Smart AI Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This smart countertop oven has quickly become my favorite kitchen appliance. The wireless AI meat thermometer makes cooking incredibly easy because I can monitor food without constantly opening the oven door. With 12 cooking functions including air frying, baking, roasting, and dehydrating, it's perfect for almost every meal. The spacious 2.7 quart capacity easily fits family dinners, and the turbo convection cooks food evenly with delicious crispy results. If you want convenience, precision, and versatility, this oven is an excellent investment. Number 4. Dinnerware Set. I absolutely love this dinnerware set because it's both stylish and incredibly durable. The plates and bowls are lightweight but feel sturdy enough for everyday use. They're microwave and dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Whether you're using them at home, camping, traveling in an RV, or furnishing your first apartment, they're practical for every occasion. The sleek black finish looks modern and elegant, and I never worry about accidental drops because they're designed to resist breaking. Number 5. Kitchen Floor Mat. If you spend a lot of time cooking or washing dishes, this kitchen mat makes a huge difference. The thick cushion design provides amazing comfort for your feet, knees, and lower back. I immediately noticed less fatigue after standing for longer periods. It's waterproof, easy to wipe clean, and the anti-slip bottom keeps it securely in place. Whether it's in the kitchen, laundry room, or home office, this mat adds comfort and support that you'll appreciate every single day. Number 6. Original Tofu Press. This tofu press is one of the simplest kitchen tools that delivers fantastic results. It removes excess water quickly, allowing tofu to absorb marinades much better and creating a firmer, more satisfying texture. I love how easy it is to use without making a mess or wasting paper towels. Whether you're grilling, frying, baking, or making stir-fry, the difference in flavor and texture is immediately noticeable. It's a must-have gadget for anyone who regularly cooks tofu. Number 7. Immersion Blender. This immersion blender is incredibly powerful and versatile. The 1,200-watt motor blends soups, smoothies, sauces, and purees in seconds with smooth, consistent results. I really appreciate the variable speed trigger because it gives precise control while blending. The included whisk, chopper, frother, and other accessories make it much more than just a hand blender. Instead of buying multiple appliances, this one tool handles almost every mixing task in my kitchen. It's powerful, convenient, and saves both time and counter space. Number 8. Rice Cooker. This rice cooker takes all the guesswork out of cooking. The fuzzy logic technology automatically adjusts the cooking process, producing perfectly fluffy rice every time. Beyond rice, I also use it for steaming vegetables, slow cooking meals, and preparing soups. The ceramic non-stick inner pot is easy to clean, and the keep warm function is perfect when dinner gets delayed. With 18 cooking functions packed into one appliance, it has become one of the most useful tools in my kitchen. Number 9. AI Smart Air Fryer. The Dome 2 Smart Air Fryer is seriously impressive. The dual top and bottom heating cooks food evenly, giving everything a crispy outside while keeping the inside juicy. I love the spacious basket because it easily fits large steaks or even a 12-inch pizza. The whisper quiet operation is a nice bonus, and the self-cleaning feature makes cleanup incredibly simple. If you're looking for healthier meals with excellent cooking performance and modern technology, this air fryer is definitely worth considering. Number 10. Vegetable Chopper. This vegetable chopper has made meal preparation so much faster and easier. It slices, dices, chops, and grates vegetables with very little effort, saving me valuable time in the kitchen. The built-in container catches everything neatly, which means less mess on the countertop. It's perfect for onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, cheese, and many other ingredients. The blades are sharp, the design is easy to use, and it helps create evenly cut vegetables every time. It's a fantastic kitchen gadget for busy home cooks. Number 11. Press Juicer Machine. If you're looking for a reliable juicer that makes healthy living easier, this 3-in-1 cold press juicer is an excellent choice. The extra wide, 6, 5-inch feed chute lets you add whole fruits and vegetables with very little preparation, saving valuable time. Its slow masticating technology produces smooth, flavorful juice with impressive yield while helping retain natural nutrients. I also love that it can make fresh nut milk and delicious sorbet. It's easy to operate, simple to clean, and the large capacity is perfect for families. Definitely a fantastic kitchen investment for anyone who enjoys fresh homemade drinks. Number 12. Baby Spoon Set. These baby spoons are one of the best feeding essentials I've used for little ones starting solid foods. The soft silicone material is gentle on sensitive gums, making every bite safe and comfortable. They're perfectly designed for baby-led weaning, allowing babies to learn self-feeding with confidence. The colorful design keeps mealtime fun, and they're lightweight enough for tiny hands to hold easily. They're also BPA-free, durable, and incredibly easy to clean. This set is a wonderful choice for parents who want to encourage independent eating from an early age. Number 13. Glass Drink Dispenser. I absolutely love this glass drink dispenser for entertaining guests. The elegant design instantly upgrades any party table, while the sturdy wooden stand makes serving drinks much easier. The stainless steel spigot pours smoothly without messy spills, and the large 6-liter capacity means fewer refills throughout the event. It's perfect for lemonade, iced tea, fruit-infused water, or juice. The quality feels premium, it's simple to clean, and it adds a beautiful touch to family gatherings, holidays, and special occasions. Number 14. Premium Kitchen Torch. This kitchen torch is a fantastic addition to any cooking setup. The adjustable flame gives you complete control whether you're caramelizing creme brulee, roasting vegetables, grilling meat, or adding a professional finish to desserts. I really appreciate the sturdy metal construction and built-in safety lock, which make it feel secure and comfortable to use. Refilling is simple, and the performance is consistent every time. It's versatile, durable, and delivers impressive results for both beginners and experienced home cooks. Number 15. Magnetic Measuring Spoon Set. This magnetic measuring spoon set has completely improved my cooking experience. The magnetic design keeps every spoon neatly together, so I never lose one. I especially love the dual-sided shape because one end fits perfectly into spice jars, while the other works great for liquids. The included leveler helps ensure accurate measurements every time, making baking much more reliable. They're made from durable stainless steel, easy to clean, and look great in any kitchen. Highly recommended for everyday cooking and baking. Number 16. Over-the-sink dish drying rack. This over-the-sink dish drying rack is one of the smartest kitchen organizers I've used. It frees up so much counter space while providing plenty of room for dishes, bowls, glasses, utensils, and cutting boards. The 3-tier design keeps everything organized, and water drains directly into the sink, helping maintain a cleaner countertop. The rust-resistant construction feels sturdy and durable, and installation is surprisingly simple. It makes the kitchen look tidy and organized while making daily dishwashing much more convenient. Number 17. Food Warming Mat. This food warming mat has become a must-have whenever I host family dinners or parties. It keeps food warm for hours without drying it out, so every guest enjoys a hot meal. The 6 temperature settings and multiple timer options make it easy to customize for different dishes. It's simple to operate, heats evenly, and works wonderfully for buffets, holiday meals, and everyday family dinners. It's a practical appliance that adds convenience and keeps everyone happy during mealtime. Number 18. Ice Cream Maker. Making homemade frozen desserts has never been easier thanks to this 7-in-1 ice cream maker. With just one touch, you can prepare creamy ice cream, refreshing sorbet, rich gelato, milkshakes, smoothie bowls, and more. I love experimenting with different flavors and ingredients to create healthier homemade treats. The included dishwasher-safe pint container makes cleanup quick and effortless. It's easy to use, delivers consistently delicious results, and is perfect for families who enjoy frozen desserts all year round. Number 19. Glass Spice Jars with Labels. This spice jar set completely transformed the look of my kitchen. The glass jars are sturdy and elegant, while the acacia wood lids create an attractive premium appearance. The airtight seal keeps spices fresher for longer, and the included labels, funnel, and brush make organizing incredibly simple. Everything now looks neat, organized, and easy to find while cooking. It's a complete spice organization solution that's both functional and stylish, making everyday meal preparation much more enjoyable. Number 20. Vacuum Sealer Machine. This vacuum sealer machine is an excellent kitchen tool for reducing food waste and keeping ingredients fresh much longer. The different sealing modes make it easy to preserve meat, vegetables, snacks, leftovers, and meal prep containers with confidence. It's compact enough to store almost anywhere, yet powerful enough to create a strong, airtight seal every time. The included starter bags let you begin immediately, and the simple one-touch operation makes it perfect even for first-time users. It's a practical investment that helps save both food and money. Number 21. Kitchen Towels and Dishcloth Set. If you're looking for quality kitchen towels that actually perform well, this Homaxi 100% cotton kitchen towel set is a fantastic choice. The towels are incredibly soft, highly absorbent, and perfect for drying dishes, cleaning countertops, or wiping up spills. I really like that this set includes multiple towel sizes, making it useful for different kitchen tasks. The dark gray color looks modern and doesn't easily show stains. They're reusable, machine washable, and stay soft after multiple washes. Overall, this is an affordable, durable, and practical kitchen essential that every home should have. Number 22. Wooden Spoons for Cooking. I absolutely love this 7-piece acacia wooden cooking utensil set. The natural wood finish gives my kitchen a premium look while being gentle on my non-stick cookware. Every spoon and spatula feels sturdy, lightweight, and comfortable to use. Whether I'm stirring soups, sautéing vegetables, or serving meals, these utensils handle every task perfectly. They don't scratch pans like metal utensils do, and they're easy to clean after cooking. If you're looking for beautiful, durable, and functional cooking utensils, this wooden set is definitely worth adding to your kitchen. Number 23. Electric Crepe Maker. This electric crepe maker makes preparing breakfast so much easier and more enjoyable. It heats up quickly, cooks evenly, and the non-stick surface allows every crepe or pancake to slide right off without sticking. The included batter spreader and dipping tray make it simple, even if you're making crepes for the first time. I also appreciate the automatic temperature control because it prevents overcooking. Cleanup takes only a few minutes, making it perfect for busy mornings. If you enjoy homemade crepes, pancakes, or tortillas, this machine is a great investment. Number 24. Multi-sided Meat Tenderizer. This gourmet meat tenderizer has become one of my favorite kitchen tools. It feels solid, well-balanced, and makes preparing meats much easier. It quickly tenderizes steaks, chicken, and pork, helping them cook more evenly while improving texture and flavor. I also use it for crushing nuts and shellfish, making it a surprisingly versatile kitchen gadget. The comfortable handle provides a secure grip, and the hanging hole makes storage simple. It's durable, easy to use, and definitely helps create restaurant-quality meals at home. Number 25. Non-stick Baking Sheet Set. I'm really impressed with this 3-piece non-stick baking sheet set. Having 3 different sizes is incredibly convenient for everything from cookies and pastries to roasting vegetables and baking family meals. The carbon steel construction heats evenly, giving consistent baking results every time. The non-stick coating works extremely well, so food releases easily and cleanup is quick. These baking sheets also feel sturdy and durable without being too heavy. Whether you're an experienced baker or just getting started, this set offers excellent value for everyday cooking and baking. Number 26. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is honestly one of the most useful small kitchen appliances I've purchased. It cooks eggs perfectly every single time without any guesswork. Whether I want soft-boiled, hard-boiled, poached eggs, or steamed vegetables, this machine handles everything quickly and efficiently. It saves time during busy mornings, and cleanup is super easy because the accessories are dishwasher safe. The compact size doesn't take up much counter space either. If you eat eggs regularly, this appliance makes breakfast faster, easier, and much more convenient. Number 27. Silicone Oven Mitts. These silicone oven mitts provide excellent protection when handling hot cookware. They're thick enough to protect my hands from high temperatures while still being flexible enough to grip baking trays and pots comfortably. The textured silicone surface prevents slipping, giving me extra confidence when removing hot dishes from the oven. I also love the soft cotton lining because it makes them comfortable to wear for longer cooking sessions. They're easy to clean, durable, and a must-have safety accessory for anyone who enjoys cooking or baking. Number 28. Stainless Steel Frying Pan Set. This stainless steel frying pan set has exceeded my expectations. The 3 different sizes are perfect for preparing everything from breakfast eggs to large family dinners. The pans heat evenly, cook food beautifully, and the nonstick surface makes cooking and cleaning incredibly simple. I especially appreciate that they're compatible with induction cooktops, oven-safe, dishwasher-safe, and durable enough for metal utensils. The Stay Cool handles are comfortable and safe to hold while cooking. Overall, this cookware set offers excellent quality and outstanding value for everyday use. Number 29. Digital Food Kitchen Scale. If you enjoy baking, meal prepping, or tracking your nutrition, this digital kitchen scale is a fantastic tool. It provides accurate measurements in both grams and ounces, making recipes much more precise. The stainless steel platform is easy to wipe clean, and the LCD screen is bright and easy to read. I use it daily for portion control, baking ingredients, and meal preparation. It's compact enough to store easily while being reliable every time I use it. This scale is simple, accurate, and incredibly useful. Number 30. Nut Milk Maker Machine. The iAgria 8-in-1 Nut Milk Maker is an amazing appliance for anyone who enjoys homemade plant-based drinks. It easily prepares almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, smoothies, and more with very little effort. The self-cleaning function saves so much time, while the Keep Warm feature ensures drinks stay ready to enjoy. I also love the Delay Start option, making it convenient for busy mornings. The machine operates smoothly, produces creamy beverages, and is incredibly easy to use. It's an excellent investment for a healthier lifestyle. Number 31. Food Mill with 3 milling discs. This stainless steel food mill is a wonderful addition to my kitchen. It makes smooth mashed potatoes, tomato sauces, fruit purees, and homemade baby food with excellent consistency. The 3 interchangeable discs allow me to choose the perfect texture depending on the recipe. The ergonomic handle turns smoothly and feels comfortable even during longer use. I also appreciate the sturdy stainless steel construction because it feels durable and built to last. Cleanup is simple since it's dishwasher safe. Overall, it's a practical and reliable kitchen tool for everyday cooking. That's our list of 31 amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets. We hope you discovered a few products that will make your kitchen more efficient and enjoyable. You'll find links to every product in the description below for easy access. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future uploads. Tell us in the comments which gadget impressed you the most or what type of products you'd like us to feature next. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.